Hi, I'm Scotty Ogden, and I'd love to show you this beautiful kitchen that we did for a commercial project here in Cloverdale. So what exactly do you guys do here in this space?
We develop software for cars,
Yeah.
basically. Either it be make them faster or fix them for other issues that they might have.
Yeah. Is the space developed the way that you envisioned originally, or is it better, worse? What?
Yeah, so I mean, I think all of us within the company, predominantly like myself, Johnny and Mark, all had our own vision. I mean, before we basically moved into the building and kind of set up shop how it was, right?
Yeah.
We just needed to get back on the ground running because we took 2 weeks out, it was 2-3 weeks out of the schedule, and just needed to get back doing development work, get everything organised, and then we kind of just left it, right? And then there was a big period of time where there was a lot of consulting going on with construction companies and other issues that I won't go into detail about, but from what it was, which was all beige walls and just like plywood up on the walls, to what we have now is night and day difference. Like, it's such a nice shop to come to work in. It's clean, that's how I like it. I keep everything super clean in my area as much as I can. Well, Anthony doesn't destroy the floor with transmission fluid, which happened last week.
Yeah.
But no, it's been huge. It's really nice to be in an environment that looks professional, and when we have clients come in or customers come in and they go, wow,
Yeah.
it's just like blown away.
Yeah.
So it's great, yeah. It's nice.
I mean, there's definitely something to be said about working in an environment that suits how you want it, right?
Yeah, right. I mean, something that is efficient and flows is the most important thing, right?
Yeah.
If you're running around trying to find stuff because it's not organized or there's stuff in the way, or like the room doesn't flow right for what you need it to, then yeah, it doesn't really work.
Yeah.
It's inefficient.
And I'm hoping that Ogden is really, like the Ogden Contracting Company, has really made things a lot easier for you guys, especially during the construction, right? Because you guys were working in here at the same time we were building as well.
It was a year, I think, or two.
Yeah, year or two, yeah. I think it's probably 2 years.
Because we obviously had the different units. Yeah, I mean, it was awesome. Like, I got super friendly with the guys, and you know, it was like they were my co-worker essentially for like a year or so. So no, it was good. It was, I think we respected what each individual person had to do as their role. Better than my kitchen at home.
It's very functional.
Yeah, and it's our colours, kind of. Honestly, all the guys that were in and out or part of different crews, like, all super friendly.
Try to hire the right people for sure.
Yeah.
We definitely don't want to hire people that don't fit with us culturally, right? And I think that's like your boss Mark and I have something similar where we do hire for culture, and that's key.
It's hugely important. People make a company, really.
Yeah.
So if you're unhappy, then you have an unhappy company.
Yeah, I think we gotta have a company.
Yeah.
So it's awesome.
Awesome, thank you.
So how was it working with the Ogden crew that was here?
Awesome. I thought Aaron was awesome at managing everything.
Yeah.
He's super responsive. Everything was, any time we had a question or concern, it was right away back at us.
Yeah.
And I think overall everyone was really good about staying on target, and we were able to get it all done in a timely fashion and didn't slow down our production as, operating day-to-day business. It was great.
Yeah, so tell us about that, because that was tricky for us as well, maybe tricky for you, because we're building this while you guys are still working here. So
yeah, we couldn't leave. We couldn't just shut down while you guys finished up. So that was probably the biggest thing for us, was being able to work while you worked.
Yeah.
I think maybe there was like a couple days where we had to just cease production in one section, but just 1 or 2 days out of the whole renovation, which is pretty good, I think.
Nice.
So that was probably the biggest benefit. And then being able to have a space ready to work in right away.
Nice. So I know it took longer than what we originally expected.
Yeah.
But overall, like, the speed of the construction was half decent.
Yeah, I think it was mostly just when we changed our minds about things, we had to get new drawings made up, and then we had to get the permit adjusted or whatever it was.
Yeah.
So it was, I don't think it really fell on either us or you guys as far as keeping things moving. It was mostly the delays with permits and stuff that are out of our control.
Yeah.
So
exactly.
once we got those papers in hand, it was back to the grindstone
It
and
was go time.
get it done. Yeah. So I think as many changes as we made and as many hurdles we had to kind of jump over together, it ended up being pretty smooth overall.
Nice. So you had part of the say in the kitchen. What part did you have in say here?
I got to pick out some of the colors and the tile, I think, but you guys did the design of the kitchen.
Yeah.
We just had a little bit of input. It turned out great.
Yeah, you like it?
Yeah.
And what's your favorite part here?
You convinced the boss to spend all the money on appliances.
Yeah.
The appliances are nice. But we haven't really used it that much yet.
Well, you need to have a
We
big party.
just finished building this like this week.
I know. I was here the other day.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
So, but yeah, no, it's great. Like everyone can be in here at the same time now, and we have a little coffee bar. We can make our smoothies. We have a stove.
Dishwasher.
Yeah, that's nice because now we don't have to spend as much time cleaning our own mess.
Yeah. Right on.
The robot will do it for us. Mark was really willing to just let the experts weigh in on everything. So
Yeah.
we ended up with a space that's pretty future proof, which was a big factor for us. Was just that we could grow for the next few years without having to need a new space or renovate again and again and again. Yeah.
Johnny, I want to say thank you
Yes.
for working with us.
Thank you,
It's been a
Scott.
pleasure.
It's been great.